Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be incredibly productive, while others struggle to get things done? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. We often link productivity with time management, but what if we've been viewing it from a limited perspective? Enter a fresh viewpoint presented by Newport in his book, Deep Work. In this context, productivity takes on a new meaning. It's not just about managing time, but more importantly, managing attention. Deep work, as defined by Newport, is the capacity to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. It's like diving into the depths of your mind and surfacing with a pearl of profound understanding or a creation of exceptional value. This skill, this ability to delve deep and emerge victorious, allows you to quickly master complex information and produce superior results in a shorter span of time. But what exactly does deep work entail? Let's dive deeper. So, what's the secret behind the deep work philosophy? The deep work philosophy is built around three pivotal principles. The first one is working hard. This doesn't simply mean putting in long hours, but rather engaging in intense, focused work. It's about pushing your cognitive abilities to their limit. The second principle is avoiding distractions. In our hyper-connected world, this appears to be an uphill task. Yet, the deep work philosophy emphasizes that profound work happens when you disconnect from the world and focus solely on the task at hand. The third principle is embracing boredom. Sounds counterintuitive, right? However, the ability to sit with and even embrace boredom can lead to your most productive and creative moments. The deep work philosophy also stresses on dedicating certain hours of the day for this kind of focused, non-distracted work. This approach, they argue, helps in producing high-quality work efficiently and effectively. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But how can you apply these principles in your own life? You might be thinking, how can I apply these deep work principles to my life and improve my productivity? Well, let's dive right into it. Firstly, setting specific goals is crucial. Determine what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable tasks. This clarity is the first step towards deep work. Next, schedule uninterrupted work periods. This could be a couple of hours or even an entire morning. The key here is consistency. Dedicate this time solely to your high-priority tasks. Lastly, cultivate a mindset that values depth over superficiality. This means prioritizing tasks that require focused attention and cognitive effort. It's about diving deep into your work and avoiding the temptation of surface-level tasks. Remember, the ultimate goal here is not just to be busy, but to be productive. To truly master these principles, you need to commit to them and make them a part of your daily routine. For a more detailed understanding and to transform your work life, you definitely should read Cal Newport's book, Deep Work. It's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity and achieve success.